Oswald, Gulmond, are you able to see the screen? Am I audible in the chat? Please do let me know quickly. Yes, great. So we'll be starting with the grammar topic that is very, very important and very much in the first chapter of your textbook. That is the comparative and the superlative. Okay, so some of you must have already started in the school, some of you must have not started. Those who already know, well and good, it's going to be a revision for you. Those who do not know, well, you have to pay attention and keep asking questions. Remember, there's going to be a test once I finish explaining this. Okay, so be very attentive. Let's start. Le comparatif. Okay, now le comparatif means the comparative degree in French. Okay, how many degrees do you know in English? कितना degrees of comparison पढ़ा है English में? हाँ, 3. Okay, very good. Could you name them? Yes. Okay, let me unmute one person. Amrita from Ghatkopar branch. Click on unmute, Amrita.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So could you name the degrees of comparison in English?
Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree.
Very good. Thank you, Amrita. Okay. So there are 3 of them. In French, there are only 2. So positive basically comes under comparative only. They will not call it as positive degree separately. The positive degree is included in the comparative degree itself. All right. You don't have a separate positive degree here as a topic. So comparative degree. Now before we start with the comparative degree, how do you figure out कि सेंटेंस में कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज करना है? कैसे पता चलता है? कंपैरेटिव. Look at the word and tell me, when do you think comparative degree is used? Okay, I see Pritika is answering in the chat. So Pritika, I'm going to unmute you. Yeah. Hi Pritika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So could you tell me when do we use the comparative degree?
We use comparative degree when there is a plus sign.
Okay, is that it? Only the plus sign?
Yes.
You are partly correct. Okay, you are partly correct, but the answer is not yet complete, Pritika. Yeah, I get the answers in the chat. Deep has answered. So Pritika, I'll mute you. You will listen to the answer, and if you have any doubt, you will ask me. So Deep has answered in the chat. Deep, I want you to explain it to your friends. Yeah. Deep, click on unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So explain what exactly have you written in the chat.
Teacher, to compare two objects, we say it comparative degree.
Okay, very good, Deep. Very good. So basically, comparative degree is used to compare either two persons or two things. Okay, it could be two objects or two persons as well, ना Deep? लोग भी compare कर सकते हैं ना हम? So remember, comparative degree में compare करने के लिए कम से कम 2 चीज होनी चाहिए या 2 जन होने चाहिए. Okay, comparative degree is used to compare two things or two persons. So that's what is given in the intro. This is from the textbook. See the intro. The comparative degree is used to compare the qualities of two objects or of two persons. So कम से कम हमको 2 object चाहिए and 2 persons चाहिए compare करने के लिए. Is that very clear? Now, comparative degree में you have 3 formula. Okay, 3 formula है. एक तो हमारा होगा माइनस साइन, फिर प्लस साइन, एंड थर्ड इज इक्वल टू साइन. 3 साइंस आर देयर, 3 सिंबल्स, प्लस, माइनस एंड इक्वल टू. ओके, सो प्लस कभी यूज होता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई से Deep is more intelligent than his friend. Okay, I'm not naming the person. Deep is more intelligent than his friend. Now you see, I have mentioned two persons, Deep and his friend, है ना, दो जन हैं. What did I say now? He is more intelligent. More intelligent मतलब plus sign use किया मैंने, है ना. So when you want to say more intelligent, you use the formula plu plus adjective plus k. Okay, तो more वाला example यहाँ पे भी दिया है नीचे. Okay, under the blue box. Disneyland Paris est plus petit que le Disney World of Floride. Okay, so here Disneyland Paris is compared to Disney World in Florida. Okay, now you see Disneyland Paris is more small, or in English, if you put it in perfect English words, then it's going to be smaller than the Disney World in Florida. Right, you see, but French is quite simpler. वो लोग ER या EST या कुछ नहीं लगाते, वो लोग simply more and most लगा देते हैं and that's it. तो यहाँ पे वो लोग क्या लगाएंगे, more, less या as, है ना, इंग्लिश में जैसे हम यूज करते हैं ना. So first let's focus on the plus symbol. Disneyland Paris is more small than the Disney World in Florida. I will stick to the literal translation so that you remember more. मतलब प्लू यूज करना है यहाँ पे. Okay, no, Kinan, do not write. It's there in the textbook ना, ये textbook का ही screenshot लिया हुआ है. Okay, this is there in the textbook. If you do not have the textbook, you can download it on the from the website, from the eBalbharti website. So you will get this on page 5. Okay, page number 5 of your textbook. So let's get back. Disneyland Paris is more small than. More small than कैसे बोलने का? Plus petit que. Okay. Now next one. Equal to बोलना है. Equal to. मतलब qualities are equal between the two persons that we are comparing or the two objects that we are comparing. दोनों का भी quality equal है. For example, in the here, look at the cursor. Look at this box. Cette robe rouge est aussi chère que cette robe blanche. Meaning, this red dress is as expensive as this white dress. As adjective as. कैसे लिखने का? aussi adjective que. Okay. More than कैसे लिखने का? plus adjective que. As and as, aussi adjective que. And then finally, if you have minus sign, then you will use moins adjective que. Look at the third example here. Le vélo est moins rapide que le train. The cycle is less rapid than the train. है ना. तो more बोलना है तो you will use plus plus adjective plus que. Equal to बोलना है तो aussi plus adjective plus que. माइनस बोलना है तो मुआ प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस क. So in all you have 3 formulae for comparative degree. Again I repeat, plus is plus adjective ka, minus mua adjective ka, equal to aussi adjective ka. कौन सा वाला कभी यूज करना है? For that you have to read the question and check for the symbol. अगर ब्रैकेट में प्लस दिया है तो प्लू एडजेक्टिव क लिखोगे, माइनस दिया है तो मुआ एडजेक्टिव क लिखोगे, इक्वल टू दिया है तो ऑसी एडजेक्टिव क लिखोगे. सिंपल एज दैट. यस यस, क इज यूज्ड इन ऑल ऑफ द 3 वर्जन्स. डैनियल, क्यों? दैन के बिना कंपैरिजन कैसे करोगे? द वर्ड दैन इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर ना. व्हेन यू आर कंपेयरिंग 2 थिंग्स और 2 पर्सन्स, द वर्ड दैन हैज टू बी देयर. Is that clear? Even in English we use the word than when you are comparing. So one more very important thing to note over here. Okay, ka means than. Ayushi, ka matlab than. Okay, I repeat, plu plus adjective plus ka matlab more plus whichever the adjective is mentioned plus than. More than, more intelligent than, more smart than, more beautiful than. Okay, aussi plus adjective plus ka matlab as good as tall as smart as, जो भी adjective दिया, that adjective keeps varying. Then comes minus. Minus के लिए मुआ adjective का. Less tall than, less beautiful than, less smart than. ओके, सो क हियर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर वॉवेल्स क्लैश हुआ तो क को क्यों यू अपॉस्ट्रोफ में चेंज करने का, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर क के बाद वाला वर्ड वॉवेल से स्टार्ट होता है, then you will change the QUE to QU apostrophe. Note down these small things. Huh? Ka, when the vowels clash, changes to QU apostrophe. Okay. Second note now. One more important thing to note. Look at the adjectives given in between. Flu adjective ka, Aussie adjective ka. ये वाला. Second example देखो अच्छे से, carefully देखो. Now, set robe rouge, a aussi share का set robe blanche. Okay, rouge and blanche हमने colors पढ़ा है ना, remember in the last class? कौन सा forms में दिया है यहाँ पे? Could you tell me? Is it feminine, masculine, singular, plural? कौन सा वाला form है यहाँ पे? Look at the spellings, rouge and blanche. Yeah, are they only feminine? Feminine singular, yes, to be very very specific, it is feminine singular. Now when you see the adjective here is feminine singular, है ना, this red dress, क्यों feminine use किया? Because this dress is feminine. When the subject is feminine, this dress is feminine, then even the adjective here जो use हुआ है as के बीच में, okay, as expensive as, तो ये एक्सपेंसिव वर्ड जो है दैट मीन्स शेयर. इन फ्रेंच यू राइट इट एज शेयर, CHER. ओके, द ओरिजिनल वर्ड इज CHER. आई हैव पुट इट इन द चैट. शेयर मतलब एक्सपेंसिव इन दिस केस. सो because the subject is feminine, the adjective has also been converted into the feminine form. CHER change हो गया CHE grav RE में. Okay, so remember the words that end in ER, they change to E grav RE for feminine. अभी ये हमने क्यों किया? Subject feminine था, this dress feminine, we are describing this dress. No, how is the dress? It is expensive. So because the word this dress is described as expensive and this dress is feminine, then even the adjective remains in the feminine singular form. So you can note down the number and gender of the subject should be equal to number and gender of the adjective. Okay, is everything clear so far? Remember, once this is done, I'm going to ask questions to check कितना समझा तुम लोग को. Let me know in the chat, have you understood? Yes, great. Okay, then let's go ahead. Here comes my question. Firstly, जब भी मुझे माइनस साइन दिया हुआ है, ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर दीक्षा फ्रॉम JB नगर. दीक्षा, क्लिक ऑन अनम्यूट. Diksha, can you hear me? Okay, she has some problem. Then Rajdeep from JB. Rajdeep, are you able to hear me? Okay, Diksha, I am giving you the access once again. Click on unmute. You will get a notification. आया आपको notification? नहीं आया दीक्षा? All right, Riya says she wants to answer. There must be some technical error, Diksha. Okay. So Riya, I have given you the access. Click on unmute. Riya, are you able to unmute yourself, Riya? No? Okay. Nishant sir? Nishant sir, are you there? All right. What you can do is, let's save time. We can put the answers in the chat box till the time we find the solution for this. Okay. Put the answers in the chat box, everyone. The answer will come only to me. You won't be able to see each other's answers, so it's fine. Now the question is, when you see the minus sign, what formula will you use? For minus sign, what formula are you going to use? Very good, Ishita. Jinesh, the answer is still incomplete. Amrita, no, think properly. Minus bola मैंने. Yes, I see only Ashna has typed the complete formula. खाली मुआ नहीं लिख सकते. You have to have the word then. Minus है, minus Mahalakshmi. You cannot use that is for equal to Mahalakshmi. So I see Bhumi, Mahi, Jinesh, Daniel, Man. Yeah, only these people have typed the complete formula. Anaida. Okay, remember you cannot only write mua. You have to have a complete formula which is mua plus adjective plus ka for the minus symbol. पूरा हाँ full form में लिखो. Yes, कौशिकी ने तो एकदम डिटेल में लिखा है. Subject plus verb plus mua plus adjective plus ka. That is perfect. Very good, Kaushiki. So let's go ahead. Now say the formula is plus. What will you use? For plus, what will you use? No, do not use the short forms. Pura formula likho, please. Yes, very good, Suzanne, Anaida, Man, Ishita. Very good. Moksh, there is something missing in between Plu and Ko. Jinesh, yes. Daniel, yes. B, very, very good. Alexa, good. Ishita, Pritika, good, great. Ashna, okay, great. So you all have understood the formula now. Last formula. कौन सा formula बचा? Symbol डालो अंदर chat में. कौन सा formula बचा है अभी? Yes, very, very good. Equal to बचा है. अब equal to का formula भी डाल दो. Very good. Very, very good, Mahi. Shalika, Diya, Diksha. Okay, great. Okay, so I'll display the answers on the chat now, on the screen now. Equal to आया तो हम Aussie plus adjective plus ka लिखेंगे. Okay, Aussie plus adjective plus ka. Somebody had written Aussie plus share plus ka. Share हमेशा नहीं आएगा. Share की जगह पे दूसरा adjective भी हो सकता है ना. You cannot always be saying as expensive as. Expensive की जगह पे दूसरा adjective भी use कर सकते हैं, right? So the equal to formula is Aussie plus adjective plus ka. Next one. Plus के लिए plu plus adjective plus ka. Plu plus adjective plus ka. Finally, minus के लिए mua plus adjective plus ka. Okay. Before I change the slide and ask you to solve sentences, I want you to check the spellings. Aussie, A-U-S-S-I. Plus के लिए P-L-U-S. Minus के लिए M-O-I-N-S. का spelling Q-U-E. Please note all of these spellings very carefully. Learn these spellings and remember now. Then there are two notes once you know the formula. Note number 1. When the vowels clash. Okay, when the vowels clash, what happens to ka? In the chat let me know. QUE change हो जाएगा किसमें? Vowels clash हुआ तो? Very good, Viti, Daniel, Ishita, Kaushiki, Ketki, Ashna, Anaida, great. So QUE changes to QU apostrophe. QU apostrophe. Mahi खाली Q apostrophe नहीं, U भी लिखोगे. Okay. QUE changes to QU apostrophe. Okay. Rule number 2. Note number 2 was the number and gender of the adjective should correspond to the number and gender of what in the sentence? किसका नंबर एंड जेंडर इक्वल? वेरी गुड अनाइडा, वेरी वेरी गुड. सब्जेक्ट एंड एडजेक्टिव का नंबर एंड जेंडर सेम टू सेम होना चाहिए. अगर सेम टू सेम नहीं है तो आप कन्वर्ट करोगे एडजेक्टिव को सेम नंबर एंड जेंडर में. Is that clear? Okay, let's go ahead and check for some more examples. Once we finish the practice and examples, then you will have a small test. So these are the textual sentences on the slide. You have an example here. Okay, look at the formula given. Plus a plus dash rapid dash W's. So you have two things compared. Train is compared with the bus. You see, that's why it's definitely comparative degree. Clear? Plus दिया है तो हम एक ही फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, which is flew. Adjective already बीच में दिया है, flew के और rapid क. Is this clear? The example is clear. I display the next question on the slide. Okay, let me know the answer in the chat. Please put the answer in the chat. Okay, those who are writing Aussie ka, are you going to write Aussie ka साथ में? What will come in between? Yes, very good man. Aussie intéressant ka, पूरा लिखने का. Aussie intéressant ka. This is how your answer will look. Okay, the next one on the screen. Here it is. Yes, I see Man has already typed. Kritika has already typed. Very good. Waiting for more answers to come up. Jinesh, great. Amrita, great. Ishita, Mahalakshmi, Suzanne. Okay, great. Now here, yeah, your answers are correct. I'm displaying the answer. Flew, ground, cur. Very important thing to note. यहाँ पे अच्छे से देखो. Look at the adjective carefully. Ground is written with an extra e. Can you tell me why? Why is the word ground with an extra e there? Feminine singular. क्या feminine singular है इधर? Can you specify? Yes, very very good Kaushiki. The subject is feminine ना, शौम्र feminine है, इसीलिए adjective को भी feminine में convert किया. Subject is feminine singular and that is why adjective also remains in the feminine singular form. Is this clear? Yes, CTT is for feminine. Okay, let's go ahead. In the chat, put the answer. Very good, Deep. Okay, those who are just typing Osika, remember there has to be an adjective in between. Great, great. So I display the answer. Aussie plus adjective plus ka, since the symbol is equal to over here. Now remember once again, intéressant is with S. है ना? Note, intéressant is with S. Why is it so? What is feminine? Feminine again. Sorry, what is plural again? Intéressant S में क्यों लिखा है? Exactly. The subject is plural and therefore the adjective is also in the plural form. Okay, great. It seems you've understood this rule very well. Next. Very good. I see the answers coming up and they are absolutely perfect. Mahalakshmi, which answer are you typing? The question is not there, no, for that one. Very good. So most of you have typed the answer exactly, perfectly. Okay, here it is. Moi violon ko, just as you have written in the chat. Last question. Okay, Mahalakshmi was typing the answer for the next question already. Very good, Suzanne, Arya, Malay, Daniel, Deep, Dia. Perfect. Good going. Okay, I display the answers here then. All right. Have you understood this? Is everything clear so far? Are you ready for the test then? Acha, remember, the level of test is going to be little difficult than these sentences over here. This is the exercise from the textbook, page number 9. In case you don't know, note it down. Page number 9. You will get the questions on page number 9 of your textbook, 9 standard textbook. All right. Now the level is going to be a little difficult. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था sentences में adjective already दिया था बीच में, है ना, and some of them were already given in the feminine form or in the plural form, subject के हिसाब से already लिखा हुआ था adjective. But in the sentences that I am going to give, वहाँ पे I will not give the adjective. तुम लोग place करोगे adjective बराबर formula में and तुम लोग उसको change भी करोगे feminine में या plural में depending on the subject. Am I clear? Are you understanding what I am saying? Let me know in the chat. Shall we proceed? Yes. Okay. Great. So before we proceed, one last time, just have a look at the formula. Spellings अच्छे से देखो. Aussie, plu, mua का. AUSSI, Aussie, plu is PLUS, mua is MOINS. Q का spelling QUE. Two important notes. Vowel clash हुआ तो QU apostrophe. And adjective का number and gender should be equal to number and gender of the subject in the sentence. Okay. Clear? क्या display करूँ मैं नेहा? Neha, could you let me know what do you want me to display? The previous slide? Sentences? Okay. Here they are. Okay, others, be ready with a notebook and a pen. We are going to have a small test to check how much you've understood. Great. Neha, shall I change the slide? I see a thumbs up from her. All right. I am going to skip this slide as of now. I'll come back to this one. Remember, I have to still explain this. So you have the questions. I want you to go through the first 3 questions. Only the first 3. The 4th one we will skip as of now. Okay? Question number 1, 2 and 3. First 3. Start solving in your notebook. पूरा sentence में लिखना, please. And then we shall discuss in a minute or 2. Put the answers in your notebook, not in the chat, Namra. We will discuss the answers in a while. Answer in your notebook in full sentence. Pura sentence. Write a complete statement. You don't need to copy the question. Write the answer in full sentence. Question उसमें आ जाएगा. Look at the symbol carefully and accordingly choose the formula. Okay, are you done? In the chat, let me know. Yes, great. Anaida says yes. I'm waiting for others. Very good. Amrita is done. Priya is done. Good. Okay. So, let's check if we can unmute now. Who would like to answer the first one in the chat? Let me know. Okay, Namra, I'm unmuting you. Let's check if you are able to do that. Namra, आया notification आपको? Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so Namra, answer in full sentence now.
L'avion est le plus rapide que le train.
Okay. Namra, everything is correct except one small thing. Look at the sentence. Are you following the formula? एक small चीज आपको drop करनी है. What is the formula for plus?
Clue plus adjective and k.
Very good. Then why did you write ल then? Clue के पहले ल क्यों लिखा आपने?
Sorry.
Okay, drop that and then it's absolutely perfect once you drop that. I've displayed the answers. I hope others have got the same thing. Thank you, dear Namra. Correct your answer.
Thank you.
Okay. The next one, let me know who wants to answer in the chat. Anaida, okay. Yes, Anaida, click on unmute. Anaida, click on unmute.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Anaida, answer in full sentence, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Le Mont Blanc est moins haut que le Mont Everest.
Perfect. Absolutely correct. Very, very good, Anaida. Others, have you got the same answer? Thank you, Anaida. I'm muting you. Yes, everyone is getting the same answer. Sachi mein? Kya baat hai? I have a smart batch. Okay. Next one. Ria. Okay. Ria, I'm going to unmute you. Ria, click on unmute. Check if you are getting the notification. Ria, did you get the notification? No? Okay. Ishita, let's check with you then.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Ishita, answer in full sentence.
Yes, miss. Le fil sans aussi bavard que le garçon.
Very good. Now tell me the spelling of Bavard, Ishita.
Bavards.
Okay. Look at the subject. Number and gender बोलो. ले फी. फी का number and gender क्या है?
Feminine.
Feminine and singular की plural.
Singular. नहीं, plural.
हाँ, okay. Feminine plural बोला आपने, तो adjective को भी accordingly change करो feminine plural में इशिता.
Bavards.
Very good. See, very, very good. So others, I hope you have done this. Bavard. Bavard means talkative. So the girls are as talkative as the boys. Okay. Bavard is with ES because the subject is feminine plural. P, girls, feminine plural. So that is why Bavard is with ES. Are the first three sentences clear to everyone? Let me know your scores in the chat out of 3. Very good. 3 on 3. क्या बात है? 2, 3. Okay, great. Now I had skipped one slide. Let's go back to this one. Remember, जैसे English में good का form good का irregular form होता है comparative में, वैसे इधर भी good का irregular form है. Okay? Good doesn't change to gooder है ना? Good changes to what? Let me know in the chat. English में good changes to what? For the comparative form. Yes, exactly. Good changes to better. अरे gooder goodest नहीं होता है. हाँ, remember gooder goodest ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So, good changes to better. Now the word better is written as follows, as given in this box. Bon is good. So good का bon का comparative form is mere. MEILLEUR. First one is masculine singular. Second one masculine plural है ना. Bon is with S. इसलिए mere भी S के साथ लिखा है second में. Third one में bon is in the feminine singular form. That is why mere has taken an additional E. Bon, fourth one, it's in the feminine plural form. And so the word mere in the fourth one is with ES. All the 4 words mean better. Mere, all the 4 words on the right hand side, mere, सबका meaning is better. But which one is used when? That depends on dash. That depends on what? In the chat, let me know. कौन सा वाला mere का spelling use करोगे? वो किस पे depend करेगा? Very good, Daniel. Very good, Amrita. Subject. Very good, Anaida. Nidhi. Great. So you understood this. The correct spelling of mere कौन सा कभी use करने का? That will depend on the subject. Okay. So you will read the question carefully and you will decide कौन सा वाला mere suit कर रहा है, कौन सा वाला mere appropriate है. Yes, Ayushi. Born means good and mere means better. Okay. Look at the example in the box. La glace à la vanille et meilleur que la glace à la fraise. Okay, so they are saying vanilla ice cream is better than the strawberry ice cream. All right, look at the subject. It is la glace, है ना? La मतलब feminine, and that is why they have chosen meilleur with e. क्योंकि la glace is feminine singular, and therefore meilleur is also written in the feminine singular form. Am I clear? Okay. Now, one very important thing to note over here is when you're writing the comparative degree, when you're writing the word better, तो better के साथ more better नहीं बोलते क्योंकि better is already in its comparative form. यहाँ पे प्लू लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, प्लू मुआ नहीं लिख सकते इधर. Is that clear? You will simply write better than. That's it. You will not write more better than or less better than. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है क्योंकि better in itself is already in the comparative form. Am I clear, everyone? If you want, note it down. With the word mere, never use plu or mua or ossi. Note it down. With the word mere, we never use plu, mua or ossi. Is this understood? Let me know in the chat. अच्छे से समझा ये सबको? Yes, okay. अभी ऐसे वाले sentence दूं मैं? Remember we skipped one sentence from the test section. So let's go back to that and check if you are able to solve it. So we discussed the first three. Solve the fourth one in your notebook. And then we shall discuss. Fourth in the notebook. Done? Okay. Who would like to answer? I see Palak has raised hand. Palak from Parla. Okay. Palak, click on unmute. Yeah.
Yes,
Palak.
miss. Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Palak, we can hear you. Palak, answer in full sentence. Huh, bacha? Full sentence.
Yes, miss. Lovin said plus Nashier La evil.
Okay. Palak, your voice is not clear enough, huh? Maybe, I don't know. थोड़ा सा internet
Miss,
connection.
one second.
Others can put the answer in the chat. Let me know how you've written. Yeah.
Miss, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yes, Palak. Okay. Palak, what you can do is put the answer in the chat. Okay. It seems there is some problem. Put the answer in the chat. I'm muting you, dear. Well, I see Ketki saying I want to answer. Ketki, I'll unmute you. Ketki, click on unmute. Ketki, are you able to hear me? No? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Ketki, give the answer in full sentence, Ketki.
Yes. Laveen et meilleur color you.
Okay. Tell me the spelling of meilleur here.
MEILLEUR.
Perfect. Very very good, Ketki. Okay, Malay, आपने bon use किया है. We cannot write more good. Okay, remember more good is what better. The word for better is mere. Remember? अभी किया हमने mere. So do not use plu or mua when you see the word bon. Bon changes to mere. Good changes to better. Okay. And some of you I see have forgotten to put the k. आपने mere अच्छे से लिखा but k भूल गए. So make sure you put the k as well. All right. Otherwise your answers are correct. Okay. Any doubt so far? Is everything clear in the chat? Let me know. Daniel, you don't have that in the syllabus, okay? Which is why we are not going in detail regarding bad, worse and worst. Yes, everything is clear. All right. So it's exactly 5:45. We'll end the class here.